why it is called black hole, and where does this object come from? Watch till the end of this video to find out. A massive cloud of gas compressed by gravity begins to push into its center of mass and forces nuclear fusion to occur. The fusion energy of merging helium atoms into hydrogen produces a balance of nuclear and gravitational forces, and stars are formed, until the fusion process begins to produce heavier materials, such as iron and nickel, that doesn't contribute to nuclear force. Instability is formed. The nuclear force is lost against gravity, and the entire star collapses to its core via a supernova. The new object is born. It could be a neutron star or black hole if the mass is sufficient. Black holes are so massive that they can distort space-time infinitely, making gravity powerful and time moving incredibly slow. This spherical object is not colored black, but because the event horizon does not reflect electromagnetic waves, any receptors perceive it as black. It also doesn't work like a vacuum that sucks in everything, but as a hole that gets larger after swallowing anything that passes through it. That's why it's called a black hole. A black hole can also merge with other black holes, forming a bigger black hole. The black part of black holes is an event horizon, a boundary where everything that enters it cannot return. In its core lies a singularity, a mysterious, immeasurable point where the entire black hole's mass is compressed. There is not much we know about it. Revolve around it an accretion disk, where superhot particles and gases orbit the black hole so fast that it emits electromagnetic waves. And there is an ergosphere, a region of spinning black holes around the event horizon where all objects inside it move in the direction of rotation of the black hole. If an observer throws an object into the stellar black hole, what would happen? Relative to an observer distant from the black hole, a falling object into it is moving in slow motion, then undergoes a redshift and disappears. The observer cannot see the object past the event horizon because time stops there relative to the observer. But from the perspective of the falling object, everything slowly turned to black, and the door he entered slowly shrunk. After entering the event horizon, the fate of the object is only a singularity. The bigger the black hole, the longer it will take for objects to reach a singularity. The object is then stretched due to the significant difference in gravitational force between the top and the bottom of the object, torn to the atomic level and merged with the black hole. In the case of small black hole, the object will destroy in event horizon or even before entering it. But how will a black hole die? Through Hawking radiation, the pair of one of the vital particles steals the mass of the black hole and the other emits it through radiation. The black hole slowly loses mass until it explodes and turns into nothingness. But this process takes a very long time. Not only that, there are still many mysteries of black holes that have not been revealed, such as the Einstein-Rosen bridge, white holes, information paradox, and singularities. But we will find the answer soon with the help of scientists connecting the related patterns of this mysterious object. And for those of you who are interested in an explanation of things like this, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so we can grow this channel and share more. Thank you.